Today I'm going to be decorating my room for fall. So here on my bed I have a bunch of fall decorations. So here is everything that I have, and I just want to make my room all cute and like fall vibes. I didn't originally plan on decorating my room for fall or making this video, but I've seen a few other people decorate their room and it's just like gives major fall vibes. And I just thought my room could use some fall vibes. So we're gonna make my room super fall. So let's start. So the first thing that I think I need to deal with is this clothes rack right here. It has had mostly like spring and summer items on it for a while, but I want to bring out all of my fall colors, all of my fall pieces, long sleeves and other things like that, and make this clothes rack have a more fall look to it, because this is like one of the main things in my room. I think it needs to be turned more fall. Okay, so I kind of did some of it on camera, and then I kind of fixed it up, finished it off camera. So I ended up going with like burgundy, neutrals, and yellow. And I do like how it looks right now. I know it won't stay like this for long because I do have a video that's coming soon where I'm going to have to switch out some things in the rack. But it's definitely more like fall-esque. So I like it. Now, moving on. So I'm gonna see if I can make my desk look kind of cute. Kind of weird, but it adds some flair, so I'll probably keep it there for now. But here's what it looks like. It's just, I just put it underneath everything that was already on the desk, and there it is. So yeah, that's that. Not sure what I think about it, but I'm keeping it there because don't know what else to do. Okay, next I have some pumpkins. So I've got this little kind of wicker pumpkin that's cute, and then a white one. And I want to find a place for them. So I think maybe one can go like here. Also, I moved some of my more fall colored shoes on top. So maybe a pumpkin could go here. Maybe. And then maybe a pumpkin could go over here, just on my little side table. I'm not sure if those are staying there. I'll probably move them later. But I have a bunch more of these, so I'm going to put them on some other tables and stuff. So. Okay, I kind of like that, I think. I mean, I don't know, but let's keep going anyways. Okay, here's this one. I don't think I'm very good at this. But I guess next we have my bed, which I know what I'm gonna do with. Okay, here is my bed. Here's what it looks like. I kind of just like quickly made it. So these, I have like some more Halloween type decoration things for my bed. So I've got these spiderweb pillows, which not what I was going for when I wanted to decorate my room for fall, but it'll do for now. So here they are, I've got two of them. I've got some white pillows on my bed already, so honestly, I kind of just throw my pillows on my bed, so it doesn't really matter what they look like. See, there we go. That looks really bad. I mean, I kind of just throw them on anyways, so I don't know. There we go. I don't think I'll keep those there for long. So that's everything so far, but I'm definitely going to probably go get some more fall stuff. So I'll see you then. Okay, hey, so it is the next day and I'm finally ready to finish the room decorating. So yesterday I went to H-E-B and got a bunch of little mini pumpkins. So I have a few different types. I just got like a bag of them that was assorted. And also today I went to Dollar General and I got some fall leaves, a little fall leaf assortment, and I got a little fall candles. So I'm gonna put these somewhere. Let's open this right now. There was a few little ones. This was the only one that kind of smelled alright. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put these in like a mason jar or something and like cut them shorter or something. I'll find a place for them. I already put a bunch of the little pumpkins in different places, and also at HEB yesterday. Got some candy corn because I wasn't planning on doing it, but I saw them and grabbed them. So I put them in a jar. Yeah, other than that, I don't think I did anything else different. I just put a bunch of pumpkins in my room, so I'll show you those, and then I'm going to find a place for the candle and the leaves and the rest of the pumpkins. Okay, so that is officially it for my room decorating, so let me show you it all. So first there's one more thing that I added into my room already, so I'll show you right now. So I have these LED lights that I lined underneath my bed. So here's what they look like, and now they're orange for fall. So that's one of the things that I did. I had these already and decided to put them on my bed. So first in my room, we have my shoe rack. So I added some tan, like fake torn cloth and a few pumpkins. And then also I brought out some orange heels and then gold because those are the most fall colors I have. So that's there. And then next over here we have my clothes rack. So I added some burgundy, tan, and yellows because those are the best fall colors that I have for my clothes rack. And then next, moving on to my little desk. It's a little bit of a mess, but also on my computer, I added a fall background, but usually I don't leave it open. So here's what I did to my desk. I added some more of this fake cloth stuff, as well as some pumpkins, a jar of candy corn, and that is it for my desk. And then next, here is my windowsill. So here I added the fake leaves in a jar, a few pumpkins, and the fall candle, which I'll probably light in a second. And then over here, we have my little bedside table. And here I added some more of the fake cloth stuff, a fake pumpkin, and a real pumpkin. And that is all that I added there. And then next to my bed, these are not really fall, they're more Halloween. But I had these little spiderweb pillows, and so I just decided to put them on my bed, and I think they're kind of cute. And then that is everything. Use the remote for my lights. And that's my whole room, but I also added one more pumpkin in my bathroom. So we just have a pumpkin here. Kind of sad, but I didn't know where to put this last one. Anyways, here is my entire fall room. Okay, so that's going to be all of the fall decorating. Also, I did my eyeshadow in like some oranges, so that's fall too. And yeah, that's everything. So I hope you did enjoy me decorating my room for fall. If you did, let me know by liking, commenting, subscribing, and all that. Also, go watch some of my other videos if you liked this one. And if you did like this one, then maybe I'll decorate my room for other seasons and film that as well. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to stay tuned for my next post. I post every Monday and Thursday, so I'll see you next time. Bye!